We now welcome Her Excellency Professor the Honourable Margaret Gardner, Governor of Victoria, to present the Anzac Day Address.
I begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the lands on which we are gathered, the Boonwurrung people of the Eastern Kulin Nations, and pay my respects to their elders past and present, and thank in particular Uncle Mark Brown for his warm welcome to country this morning. I also want to acknowledge the past and present members of the Australian Defence Force with us today. Thank you for your service. I want to acknowledge the Anzac ambassadors who will lead the Anzac Day March this morning. Commander Helen Ward, representing the Royal Australian Navy, Ricky Morris, representing the Australian Army, Rebecca Heron, representing the Royal Australian Air Force, Susie Wilson and Simon Rawson, representing veterans of the Gulf Wars, and Shariz Ahmadi, representing Afghan interpreters. Finally, I want to acknowledge the veterans of peacekeeping missions in the Middle East and Afghanistan who will lead today's march.